The goal with this activity is to really work the legs, loosen up the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need something to put one of your feet on because you're gonna do an asymmetrical stance. And so with the stance position, what I want is I want one foot on the block, the other one's gonna be off the block like this. You wanna be about hip width apart when you're doing this particular activity. Grab yourself a plate or something that you can reach out in front of you to act as a counterweight. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna unlock your knees, make sure they're nice and soft. You wanna exhale and you wanna reach the weight forward and towards the ground. As you do so, you wanna push the hips back slightly like you're about to do a deadlift. So it's gonna look like this. I'm here, exhale and reach. So I got this bent over stance just so you can kind of get an idea of what that's like. Looks like that from the side. Okay? Now once I'm here, I'm gonna hold that position, inhale, squat down, exhale, squat up. It's gonna look like this. So soft knees, exhale, reach, making sure as I hinge, I don't lock the knees. Inhale down, exhale up, rinse and repeat. I never really lock out at the top. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.